All right, guys, I fail to understand this ongoing obsession some of you guys seem to have with, Bluetooth locks, things that can work with your smartphone, fingerprint locks, things like that. This little guy, somebody sent it to me. It is from Amazon. They call this the Smart Fingerprint Identification Lock. And you can see where this guy is made. So these guys, technologically, they're very cool. I've programmed this one for my forefinger here. So again, there's the sensor right there on the front. All you do, you put your fingerprint, you get a blue light, and get it open. So very cool in that respect. It opens in 1/50th of a second or something. All the specs are there for pretty fast. So yeah, very cool. You can recharge it here, but like most of these electronic locks, they put a lot of thought into the technology, but not so much thought into the security. So, yeah. So what I thought we would do is I tried, a magnet on this and decided, nobody carries super magnets around in their pockets, at least, not normal people, but maybe some of you do. I thought what we try to do is an old technique that we've used on Master Lock before, and that would be Lock Lab's favorite tool, this guy, little beater. All I'm going to do is just whack on this guy. You can see it is locked. I'm just going to give him a couple of whacks, and let's see if we can dislodge that shackle. And based on how lightly constructed this guy is, I wouldn't be surprised in the least if it got an open just like that. I mean, I don't know if that's 1/50th of a second or not. Ready, start your timer. Get that magnet off there. All right, ready, start your timer. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, okay, more than 1/50th of a second. I'll grant you that. There we go. Got to give it a couple of good whacks, but yeah, not something I'd want to trust any valuables to. But if you're a collector of technology and couldn't care less about security, yeah, I encourage you. It's a great lock. The smart, or maybe not so smart, fingerprint identification lock from Amazon. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe, stay legal. Yeah, stay away from these guys.